Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Join us on Mega Technology as we unveil the remarkable world of heavy machines, modern innovations, and the transformative impact of technology. Big Float is an innovative and unique pontoon-tracked undercarriage that turns your excavator into an amphibious machine. Some call it a swamp walker or a floating excavator. It's all the same thing. Thanks to the Rimu Pontoon undercarriage, your excavator can work in the toughest conditions. In soft ground or shallow water, floating excavators on pontoon chassis are often the most efficient machines. Large floats can also be driven on hard ground, and with additional equipment, they can operate safely in open water. Hydrema's Model 922D tipper is the obvious choice for driving on soft terrain and in areas where the lowest possible ground pressure is required. This 3-axle dump truck is equipped with a unique articulated joint and wide-angle bogies, providing superior traction power and the lowest empty weight and performance weight ratio on the market. These features provide high stability during tipping, even when the tipper is at maximum swing angle. The Classic V amphibious dredger offers an unprecedented combination of mobility and powerful dredging capability. Aquamex's innovation takes WaterMaster to a new level of performance in soft and hard substrates, as well as in urban dredging. The size of the machine is virtually unchanged from the first-generation Classic 1, but dredging performance has almost tripled. The difference compared to the Classic 4 is 50%, so the new model completes projects many times faster. You see the Flat Cat equipment trailer, a new trailer for various equipment. Belmont Trailers believes this model allows trailer owners to move more easily, quickly, and safely load and transport equipment that can be a problem today. This includes equipment that has poor or no traction, low ground clearance, and equipment that has difficulty climbing ramps or elevated decks. The Flat Cat trailer's unique hinged platform design makes it easy to load and transport all types of equipment, including man elevators, scissor elevators, roller compactors, and even pallet jacks. Additionally, the Flat Cat is ideal for transporting low-profile vehicles such as classic and vintage cars. Process logs easily, quickly, and efficiently with the new Avant mini loader and the attachable log splitter. The Versatoc log splitter attachment cuts logs into manageable chunks for firewood for cold winter nights. The splitting force is 7.6 tons. The maximum log length is 26 inches and the diameter is 12 inches. A 4-way splitting wedge is standard equipment to split the product into 2 or 4 pieces. A 6-way wedge is available as an option. Wedge height adjustment is done manually as standard, with hydraulic height adjustment available as an option. The TG7000 Hopper Shredder is a combination of the latest technology and power, designed to handle large-scale land clearing and recycling of organic and wood waste. Vermeer's duplex drum minimizes maintenance work. Among the biggest pluses is the patented system with 10 hammers and 20 dual-bolt cutting heads that was utilized to build the equipment. The optional cab and the gripper loader makes this model a one-man operation. This greatly reduces labor costs and increases productivity. The Genesis GXT Mobile Shear is the industry's next-generation shear, designed for more efficient scrap processing, and is suitable for smaller carriers, reducing the initial purchase investment and hourly energy costs. The GXT model is shorter, higher, and lighter in weight. It is a scrap and demolition shear with its center of gravity closer to the excavator, allowing the model to be mounted on excavators that previously could only carry smaller and less powerful shears. The TII Surelay is a state-of-the-art and unique blade transport system that allows you to safely and economically transport bulky loads to their destination. The combination with a trailer unit is ideal for transporting heavy and very long propeller blades. The system consists of a 2-axle Jeep wagon, a freewheel unit with root adapter plus a 4-axle trailer as a trailing unit or an optionally available freewheel unit directly coupled to the tractor as well as a trailing unit. Versatile in its capabilities, the M30H trackway panel is the ideal solution for access roads, crossings, temporary roads, beach areas, and flooring. The medium ground mobility system enhances the mobility of vehicles and other large equipment with pneumatic tires by creating an access route that stabilizes the ground when ground pressure is very low. This equipment is compatible with front-end loaders and telehandlers and is well suited for multi-purpose operations to create a long access road. The hydraulic metal baler is used for shredding, cutting, and bagging a wide range of scrap metal. The Moros handles large and sturdy structures such as steel sheets, washing machines, other household appliances, and even entire cars in a particularly cool manner. This powerful machine efficiently presses the leftovers of all kinds of metal materials to give the shape of cuboid, octagon, cylinder, etc., resulting in lower transportation and smelting costs. Among the advantages, it is a fast block, which greatly improves the efficiency of the technique. Moros has a stable and quite powerful hydraulic drive system, and also, optionally, performs work in fully automatic mode. Hadrian X is a robot that can build brick structures. The system consists of a large telescopic robotic boom mounted on a 25-ton truck. A separate frame houses the electrical equipment, and the van houses the control systems. Before starting work, the robot reviews CAD drawings of the house, creates a 3D model, and plans its construction. The machine determines which bricks need to be cut and where those scraps can be reused, reducing waste. In tests, the Hadrian X laid an average of 150 bricks per hour with a maximum rate of 200 pieces, which exceeds 1,000 bricks per day. At the same time, a typical mason can lay between 400 and 600 pieces of stone daily. The Hout Killer 1270 grubbing shears have been designed specifically for removing and processing biomass from large stumps with roots. This technique also copes perfectly with small and medium-sized stumps and other root material. The technology can be easily and simply mounted on any standard base machine. Thanks to the pre-shredding of stumps, the volume of material to be transported is reduced. Another possible application for this equipment is the subsequent shredding of stumps in recycling plants. You can count on low operating expenses and low wear and tear, thanks to the robust construction and the use of high-quality steels. The new VTN Crusher Bucket Crusher is an attachment designed to crush various materials directly on site. The unit is suitable for different working machines, excavators, backhoe loaders, telescopic and wheel loaders. The crusher has very compact and versatile dimensions and is therefore suitable for all types of construction sites, in quarries, on landfill sites, as well as on small, medium, and large urban and suburban construction sites. Quick and easy adjustment of the thickness of the incoming material allows you to adjust the size of the output material from 0.5 to 5.5 inches. The Mastodon M60 Forester Mulcher is designed to give land clearing professionals the ultimate in mulching performance. Inside the machinery's compact frame is a massive 160cc adjustable hydraulic motor controlled by the E-Tech Smart Drive system. The head develops up to 780 pounds of tree shredding torque at a maximum rotor speed of 2,200 RPM. The industry's most powerful driveline is utilized for vegetation processing with the new Mastodon carbine feed control tooth, which delivers sharp steel cutting performance and maintenance-free carbine durability. Construction and transportation companies are starting to present their vision of roads of the future, one by one. Some of them propose to use special solar panels with a high-strength protective coating instead of asphalt. By the way, it will be able to withstand even an 18-ton truck. That is, such panels will be durable and quite capable of replacing asphalt. And also, the roads of the future will be able to not only illuminate themselves, but also to give a significant part of electricity to the energy system. In the future, wireless charging of electric cars is even possible. According to some calculations, such a road surface with an area of 28,000 meters squared will provide about 280 kilowatt hours of electricity, and these are excellent figures. The CAT Model 637K wheeled scraper tractor is designed to meet the challenges faced by operators around the world. Its ruggedness and durability make it work in the toughest conditions and materials you can find. The engine of this marvelous machine is fully compliant with all Tier 4 final emission standards and Stage 4 ES emission standards. Guided by the Prenoth Clean Motion philosophy, they have revolutionized snow removal technology. Their electric Husky E-Motion and Lightwolf H2 Motion hydrogen-powered models, both with fuel cells and internal combustion engines, take environmentally friendly snow removal to a new level. The Lightwolf H2 Motion, for example, is a concept vehicle that combines performance and environmental friendliness. The hydrogen snowplow was developed with two different powertrains, a fuel cell and an internal combustion engine. The hydrogen is stored in tanks mounted on the rear of the machines, allowing up to 4 hours of operation. With its modern cabin design and all the best features of this flagship rat track, the path to eco-friendly winter sports is being paved. The unique feature of the model that is the object of our interest today is that during operation it can completely submerge in water. Only the exhaust pipe remains on the surface. This underwater bulldozer will be an excellent solution for companies that perform road construction and repair activities regularly, are engaged in the laying of channels, as well as mining of minerals from the subsoil covered by the water column. By the way, the bulldozer is controlled remotely. In the field and garden, the ideal tool for tilling the soil is the turf trimmer or sod trimmer. In fact, it is equipment for removing the top layer of soil. If you are an experienced gardener or owner of large areas of agricultural plantings, then turfing should be much better and deeper, and you can achieve this with a variety of machines. You'll see it all on the screens below. This is what a proven tree care solution looks like. Without disrupting traffic, the compact 718 E-Series models operate with high reliability at Senebogen in the UK. Whether picking up and cutting at a height of 13 meters thanks to the telescopic boom, or simply grading on the ground, the 718E is easy to operate and has a wide range of applications. Let's talk about the Biber 83Z. With the shredding knives or blades, you get precisely shredded or coarsely chopped material, depending on the blade setting and screen size. The 1.55 meter diameter blower with high-strength wear-resistant surfaces ensures soft discharge and produces coarse chips with low fines content. The 5.2 meter discharge height is ideal for direct loading of tall trailers. Senebogen telehandlers are the ideal machines for demanding applications. The A35G Hybrid and 355E models precisely set new standards for efficient scrap, wood, and port handling, thanks to the Green Hybrid Regeneration System, which is now also available in this machine class. You save up to 30% on fuel. These machines are, in fact, multifunctional tools that can handle both common telehandler tasks and complex material handling operations. Here, for example, in this video, we see these loaders pile sugar beets into a pile and then load them onto barges. Together, they are capable of handling 270,000 tons of sugar beets during the beet campaign, delivering fuel savings and reduced CO2 emissions, thanks to Green Hybrid's regenerative technology. The SLJ series machine of Beijing Wall Joint Machinery Company, also known as Iron Monster, has become a step forward in bridge construction. It not only accelerates construction processes, but it also saves costs and resources. This monster can lift, carry, and install prefabricated bridge sections at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour without wasting time on assembly. The machine is about 91 meters long and weighs 580 tons. However, this is a plus for the bridges because when they are designed by architects, they are given additional resources to withstand, such as load. However, this machine has a significant disadvantage. Its service life is limited to only 4 years. According to technological documentation, the Iron Monster can withstand the laying of 700 to 1,000 bridge spans, which is approximately equal to 4 years of fruitful work. Multi-mobile from Probst is simply ideal for economical and precise paving of slabs. The technique is suitable for concrete slabs, natural stones, slabs with exposed aggregates, large pavers, and ecological pavers. The machine allows effortless paving, as the lifting and lowering is carried out by a vacuum hose hoist. Another advantage is the precise positioning of the slabs through a smooth-moving, slewing crane with a very low load capacity. By the way, slabs that have already been laid can easily be lifted again. Multi-mobile can easily lay up to 300 square meters of tiles per day. The Tybot rebar binding robot works continuously and regardless of the weather outside. Its functioning is based on machine vision technology, which guides the robot to the required location, and the robot limb binds the rebar qualitatively. The device is brought into working position by a small remote control panel. And by the way, the robot has even set a record. It was able to bind 11,044 bars in just one day, an average of 1,100 pieces per hour of work. You have to agree, such figures are really impressive. Let's discuss the CH Series grader attachment, and it should be noted, it's the perfect solution for gravel road maintenance. The grader cuts and fills potholes, eliminates material from entering the machine itself, and leaves material directly outside, maneuvering easily in tight places and corners. This machine spreads and finishes soft and loose materials with ease, typically completing the job in just 1 or 2 passes. The NOAQ Boxwall BW52 is an independent and self-anchoring mobile flood protection barrier that can hold back water up to 50 centimeters high. And for completeness, the barrier blocks weighs up to 1 meter high. Its lightweight means it can be quickly set up to protect buildings and other objects from water, as well as clearing roads. The barrier is designed for use on fairly flat surfaces such as paved roads, lawns, and tight sidewalks. Each individual box consists of blocking, anchoring, and sealing parts. The barrier is built by connecting each box with the previous one, forming a kind of chain. It is better to move from left to right when installing. Camroxy K140 chain cutter is ideal for excavators from 2 to 50 tons when milling rock with compressive strengths up to 100 megapascal. The machine demonstrates high efficiency in conditions where drilling and blasting is not possible for medium hard rock with a compressive strength of 15 to 60 megapascal. The machine is well suited for narrow trenches from 480 millimeters wide with an optimal wall profile. The continuous chain, which is driven by drums with cutters, automatically removes the shredded material from the space between them. Digging a trench with a minimum width saves on unnecessary transportation expenses to remove the shredded fraction and reduces the price of the bulk material. And the use of EK series products reduces wear on the excavator's slewing gear. The Rock Hog version of the Model 1150 has been designed for continuous open-pit mining. The drum of this powerful machine is 312 centimeters wide, which is why it is used in excavation projects and open pits. The machine has an operating weight of 50 metric tons, a 440 horsepower engine, a lift cab, hydraulic stabilizers, and Trenchtronic version 5.0 equipment. Meet the super powerful and productive hydraulically powered concrete mixer. It's a low-cost attachment that allows you to mix, transport, and pour concrete faster than a standalone mixer. The SD series is naturally built on a new platform that delivers the well-known multi-1 strengths, versatility, and productivity. A wide range of original equipment attachments make these new multi-1 mini loaders indispensable machines for applications such as agriculture, where many types of tools are required. Thanks for being part of our tech journey. Subscribe and dive into more innovations with us.